Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to secret chat on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to secret chat on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app, and after opening your Telegram app guys, in order to secret chat with a person, open the chat box of that person with whom you want to secret chat on Telegram. And over here guys, after landing on this interface, you can see their name at the top of the screen. Tap on the name first at the top of the screen, and when this interface appears, tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen. You can see there's a three dotted icon at the top right. Tap on it, and when this drop down menu appears, you can see there is the start secret chat option available for us over here just above the add to home screen. Tap on start secret chat, and here it says, are you sure you want to start a secret chat? Tap on start, and a secret chat will be initiated with that person on Telegram, and you will be able to secret chat with that person when that person comes online. And there guys, this is how to secret chat on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.